Welcome back to our Health and Wellness channel. Today we are looking at the 5 best workouts for fast weight loss at home. No equipment, no gym, just simple exercises that burn calories quickly and boost. Do this for 30 seconds, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat. Next is high knees. This cardio exercise targets lower belly fat, improves speed, and boosts stamina. Lift your knees high and move your arms actively. Do this for 30 seconds. It gives quick results when done daily. Third workout, mountain climbers. This is a powerful fat-burning move that hits your core, arms, and legs at the same time. It also increases metabolism and burns belly fat effectively. Do 20 to 30 seconds and feel the intensity. Fourth, bodyweight squats. Squats target the largest muscles in your body, which means they burn more calories. They tone your legs, glutes, and improve lower body strength. Do 15 to 20 reps, slow and